Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose your meals for the upcoming week. So I'm going to start by going to eattheeighty.com and then clicking that sign in tab that's on the bottom left hand corner of my page. Now I'm going to sign in with that same email address that I used to create my account. Cool, now that I'm on my user portal, I'm going to go ahead and click on the next order tab. Now on this tab, you'll see that all of my preferences have actually been auto-populated with my preferences from last week. So if I want to make any changes to these preferences, I can do so right here. So last week it looks like I had the 7-meal plan bi-weekly. Now if I want to change to a 14-meal plan on a weekly basis, that's how I can do that. And it looks like last week I had keto under categories that I do want. Let's say that this week, instead of keto, I want to do Whole30. So I just clicked that X next to keto and it took it away, and now I added in Whole30 from the drop-down menu. It looks like last week I didn't want mahi-mahi and I didn't want shrimp. Let's say this week I'm okay with mahi-mahi, so I'm going to take it off of the do not want list. And again, in order to do that, I just clicked that X on the right of the green box. Alright, cool. So now I have to select the 7 remaining meals since I increased from a 7-meal plan to a 14-meal plan. And on the top of the screen, you're most likely going to see our new menu items. That also means that if there is a menu item that's been on the menu for a while, there's a good chance that it has been retired. So it's always good to double check that if that was one of your meals that you have preferenced, that you can choose something to replace it with. Alright, cool. So now I can see that green plus means that I can add more meals. So I'm going to go ahead and add my remaining meals. And as you can see, that green plus turned into a gray plus as soon as I reached my limit for meals. So it went from green to gray. And that means that I have selected all 14 out of 14 of my meals. Now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and I'll see my order summary. Here it'll repeat that I chose the 14-meal plan on a weekly basis, and it'll also repeat the meals that I've selected. So normally there's more diversity than this, but for this video purpose I selected 7 turkey meatballs and 7 smoky pulled pork Brussels. Now it'll say that my order total is 0 just for the video, but your order total will be the normal amount that is due for whatever meal plan you select. Now I'm just going to select Save Order, and it'll take me to the next page that says that my order preferences have been updated. And the last thing that's important to remember is that if you do make any changes to your preferences, all of those changes need to be made by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, before that Monday that they all ship out.